Welcome to Parsimony, your comprehensive solution for efficient business management. In this tutorial, we'll delve into the stock function, focusing specifically on how to create an item group to organize your inventory effectively. Let's begin by logging into Parsimony and navigating to the stock module. To access, click on the stock menu on the top navigation bar. This will take you to the stock dashboard, where you can manage your inventory and track stock levels. To create an item group, click on the Item Group button under the Items Catalog section. This will open up a new page where you can create a new item group by clicking the Add Item Group. Begin by entering a unique name for your item group. Select the parent group from the drop-down menu. Next, we need to set up the item group defaults. Click on the Add Row button, and select the Company, Default Warehouse, and Default Price List. Once you've set up your item group, click on the Save button to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created an item group in Parsimony. You can now use this item group to categorize and manage your inventory items. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out.